my channel. So if you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Mehak Khemka, and please do consider subscribing to my channel cause that would really mean a lot to me. And now in today's video we are not going to talk about luxurious things, fashion, styling, all of that stuff, but instead of that we are going to talk about basics. So these are the basic things I am going to share that every girl should have in their wardrobe. Cause अगर ये चीज़ तुम्हारे पास होगी तो मे बी तुम ऐसा तो कभी नहीं बोलोगे कि आई डोंट हैव एनीथिंग टू वेयर. वैसे तो ये बोलना बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉसिबल है एक लड़की के लिए, बट स्टिल दिस आर द पीसेज आई यूज़ द मोस्ट. लाइक एवरी अदर ओकेजन आई कैन जस्ट pair it with any other thing and just use this pieces. So that's the reason I'm sharing all of that in today's video. And सबका wardrobe essential अलग अलग होता है. I am going to share mine, like कौन सी 10 चीज़ें जो मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा important है. So I hope this video is going to be helpful and थोड़ा बहुत informative. So make sure you watch this video till the end. And now without wasting more time, let's get into it. So let's start with the first and the most important wardrobe essential. So that is jeans. So everyone have a different preference in terms of jeans. I would go and prefer wide length flare jeans. So this is what I have and I use this jeans the most cause this suits my body type perfectly, cause I am not going to look more skinny in this type of jeans cause it is wide flare jeans. But if you are someone whose lower body is heavier as compared to upper body, you can definitely go for skinny jeans or maybe wide length jeans. That would be much more flattering on your body type, but I would prefer this kind of jeans. एंड ऑल्सो जीन्स इसके लिए भी इम्पॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि इफ़ वी आर गोइंग लाइक नीचे कुछ सामान लेने, वी आर गोइंग टू मीट आवर फ्रेंड्स, लाइक फटाफट इफ़ वी वांट टू गो एनीवेयर वी कैन जस्ट पुट अ जीन्स एंड गो वेरेवर वी वांट टू गो. लाइक इट इज़ सुपर ईजी. सो एक जीन्स होना इन योर वार्डरोब इज सुपर एसेंशियल. नाउ मूविंग टू द सेकेंड वार्डरोब एसेंशियल, दैट इज प्लेन टी शर्ट्स. So I have two plain t-shirt, one in the black color and the second in the white color. So this is the basic color I think you should have, and if you don't have, I would recommend you to go with the white one cause that is the most used t-shirt in my wardrobe. Cause as you must have seen, like बहुत सारे videos भी है one plain t-shirt in multiple ways. So you can style your plain t-shirt in multiple ways at multiple occasion. Like clubbing में भी you can use jewelry add करके, earrings, sandals and all add करके. So plain t-shirt is super important. You can pair your plain t-shirts with denim jacket and also a plain jeans. That would look flawless. So if you don't have one, you should definitely go and buy one. Also I got this too from Amazon जो बहुत ही reasonable था. If I got link, I'll put down in the description box. So even you can buy that. And yeah. Moving forward to the third essential, that is a denim jacket. So this jacket is super essential for me. So I got this one. I have two colors, but I am showing you this one cause this one is the one I use the most. And ये color mostly हर outfit पे suit हो जाता है. So I like this jacket. Also there is a reason why I am including this in my wardrobe essentials. So this jacket is something I use the most. Like on every other outfit I can just pair this jacket and this jacket just add a spark to all my outfits. So I think this is super essential for every girl. Also बहुत time ऐसा होता है like you are super uncomfortable in crop top, sleeveless top or anything, but you love to wear that. So you can just add this denim jacket and just complete your look. With the help of this jacket you can just wear the crop top or maybe strapless top, all of that stuff easily, and where you can feel super comfortable with adding this jacket. Moving towards the next essential, that is like super important to me personally. इसके बिना मेरा wardrobe like completely अधूरा है. So this one is white button down shirt. Like seriously तुम्हारे पास white shirt नहीं है? This is super important to me personally. Recently I got this. I have this one. And you can style this in multiple ways, in multiple occasion, and what not you can do with this white shirt. You can even use this for your business purpose, formal wear, casual wear, party wear, everywhere. So I would definitely recommend you to go with the white one for the button down shirt instead of any other color, because this is like super basic. This is my personal favorite wardrobe essential, and how I can not include this in this video. So this is like super important to me, and if you don't have, go buy now one, cause अगर तुम्हारे पास एक होगा तो definitely you are going to style this. So I would recommend you to go and buy one. So yeah. Coming to the next essential, so this is something very unusual. You must be thinking ये क्यों तुमने include किया है? So that is this hoop earrings. So I got this one. This is a plain silver hoop earring. And I use this every time. Like कुछ टाइम पहले तक तो मेरे पास ज़्यादा earrings का knowledge नहीं था, कुछ ज़्यादा earrings थे भी नहीं. So I used to wear this everywhere and every outfit. Like हर एक outfit के साथ I used to pair this, and let me tell you, बुरा भी नहीं लगता था. It used to go like ये. This is very basic thing. Silver hoop earrings is very basic. I used to pair this with my top and jeans, one piece, dresses, ट्रेडिशनल वेयर, ऑल ऑफ दैट, एंड ये बहुत अच्छी से उसके साथ मैच भी हो जाता था. सो आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट लेट्स इंक्लूड दिस इन माई वार्डरोब एसेंशियल, बिकॉज दिस इज रियली वेरी एसेंशियल टू मी, एंड इफ यू आर समवन लाइक मी, आई थिंक ये आपके लिए भी बहुत एसेंशियल होगा. And also I made a hack wala video on Instagram. I made this earring with the help of this hoop earrings. You can go follow me on Instagram and see how I made that. I am sharing thoda DIY hacks wala videos on my Instagram, so follow kar lo. Moving forward to the sixth wardrobe essential, so that is a bag. So सबका preference बहुत अलग होगा in terms of bag. You can decide as per what you work. Like if you are going to a college or maybe school, you can choose a backpack. If you are going to office, you can go for a handbag. If you are going like your thoda sa nearby thing, parties and all of that stuff, you can go for a sling bag. There is like multiple option what you can choose for yourself. You just need to figure out what suits you. I love to use a sling bag, and this is what I got. I have multiple bags like handbags and all of that stuff. Personally, I just use this because this is like super casual, chota sa, and all my things just come inside this, like phone, wallet, money, all of that stuff just fits into it. So I love to use this. This is a sling bag, and I just prefer this kind of bag more because this is like super convenient, and this suits my style as well. So you can just figure out what suits your style, and you should definitely get a bag because every time you don't have pockets to keep all your stuff. So having a bag is like super important, and this comes under basic wardrobe essentials. So yeah. Coming to the seventh essential, so this is a flare pants. So nowadays I am so obsessed with flare pants. I got the first flare pants. This is this black one. Now I have more colors in different type. So basically ये मेरा नया obsession है, and if you are just skinny like me, this is just a heaven for you. Because in this type of bottom, you are not going to look super skinny, and this suits your body type, like skinny body type. So that's the reason I included this in my wardrobe essential, because इसके बिना मेरा wardrobe literally बहुत ज़्यादा अधूरा है. Nowadays I just wear this flare pants. You can get different colors for yourself अगर तुमको भी flare pants पसंद है. And nowadays this is like so trendy and looks so classy. So that's the reason I included this in my wardrobe essential, because this is like super essential. So if you want to try this, you can definitely go and buy one. And if you are just skinny like me, you should definitely go and start wearing this kind of bottoms. Jumping to the next wardrobe essential that I would love to include in this video is a plain white shoes. So I have this white shoes. I got this from where, I don't know. It's like so long. I got this from somewhere. If I got a link, I'll put that. So this is like super essential for me. I am not someone who loves to wear heel all the time. I am someone who loves shoes more than heels. So that's the reason this is super important for me. But if you are someone who loves heel, you can definitely go for that. And the best part about this shoes is I can use this anywhere and every time. This goes with every outfit because this is a basic white color. So I just love to prefer this kind of basic shoes instead of heel, because heel is not my type. And I can pair my white shoes with multiple outfits. So having a white shoes is important. The next wardrobe essential that I had to include is a crop top slash tank top. So this is something I feel super important for every girl, and you can just pair this kind of outfit with multiple bottoms. As I earlier mentioned in this video only, like flare jeans and wide flare pants, all of that stuff, uske saath crop top is just going to look super cute. And I have this crop top, the red one, like this is I got from Club Factory long back, and this is like super good. I also have one in the white color, I don't know where it is, I'm just going to put a picture so you can see. And this is the tank top that I'm talking about, like a basic tank top. This kind of tank top, crop top, basic things just look so pretty on every kind of occasion. And also you can create multiple outfits out of this kind of tops. I'm planning to make a video on that, so keep an eye on my channel. This kind of top I feel are super essential and important. You can pair this with any kind of bottom, and this kind of top suits every body type, from the fat one to the skinniest one. So I feel this is the wardrobe essential that you should have. The last thing that I would love to include in this wardrobe essential wala video is dresses. So now dresses is like every सबका choices अलग होता है, सबका preference अलग होता है. What I would love to suggest you and what I prefer is a long maxi dress. So a long maxi dress is something I just love to wear. Like this kind of dresses suits multiple occasion instead of that short dresses, cause you can use this in your family function, family parties, with your friends, and multiple, like you can use this in multiple occasion. So I would suggest you to go with this flary long maxi dress kind of dresses. But if you are still interested for short dress, you can definitely go for a bodycon dress, cause I think I love that kind of dresses more as compared to flare dresses. So I have this one for myself. This is a slit bodycon dress. I got this from Shein, and I use this like most of the time cause this is my favorite dress. So I like this kind of simple dresses, and this color is also super amazing. So that's the reason I prefer this kind of dress. You can just choose what kind of dress suits you and what you prefer. So yeah. So this were the 10 wardrobe essential that I wanted to share with you. This all 10 things are super essential for me, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, then make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, comment down below and let me know your views about this video, and share this video. Follow me on Instagram, and I'll be seeing you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.